Hello, everybody. This is the third day of the live stream, third song today that we're going to talk about. It's going to be the Polish song Siadaj, nie gadaj. Before we start analyzing the song and before I start playing you the music, I just like to ask you if you guys can hear me. If you are here, if you can hear me well, let me know. If you hear it too loud, let me know. If it's too soft, also, please let me know. So I have some feedback. We should be streaming on 4 different platforms on my Facebook profile and Facebook page, and then YouTube and Twitch. So that's the only feedback I can get. If you guys tell me that you can, hear well and see everything. So yeah, hello again. Let me know if you're there. So this song, Siadaj, nie gadaj, it's very interesting song because it's a traditional Polish song that is about this specific part of the wedding ceremony. And I'd like to thank Joanna, who helped me, fellow singer here in New York, who is Polish, and she sent me some Polish music when I was doing the research. And I find it fascinating. Okay, first of all, I like the song, but I also find it fascinating because of what it stands for. So the moment when it's sung is when the veil of the bride's, so it's unveiling, I don't know how to say it, but the veil goes up. It's usually after midnight, and in the old times, the girls would wear braids, and she would get a haircut. The braids would be cut off, and this song would be sung, and it's not a happy song. Actually, let me share the screen first, and let me show you a little bit about the tradition. So let me pull it up. Oops. Here we are. So you see, it's a common Slavic rite, it says. I'm not sure, I've never heard this happen in Croatia. If somebody's watching and knows more about it, please let me know, or if in any other countries this has been done. But which symbolizes the transition of the bride from being a maiden to being a married woman. And traditionally, the bride had her hair cut or shortened and a cap put on. That's why it's called cijepeć, I think, is Polish for a cap. So the name of the odsiepienie is of the moment of that wedding. Interesting, right? Actually, I'm all dressed up like this because since we're talking about weddings, I wore this this is my wedding dress that you see. Very different than the one that we're looking at. But yeah, times have changed. So the brides don't get their braids cut in the tradition. But it's interesting, yeah. A lot of traditions are like that. I know that I was really surprised to learn that in Jewish Hasidic communities, the brides, when they get married, they completely shave off their heads. And if you see these young women with children walking around, they're probably wearing a wig because they shaved their heads. So it's, and I was, excuse me, I was really startled about that. When you see we have similar how do you say, customs, that's what I wanted to say. So yeah, okay, so if you can hear me, let me know. I'm gonna play the music, the song that I found, and I'm gonna try to share a screen again. Let's see, and get the music also from it. So let's see. Just give me a second. Okay. Here we go. So this is a typical version of this song. And when I was researching this, I found something that's completely different. So let's see the lyrics first. It's Siadaj, nie gadaj, moje kochanie. Nic nie So the lyrics are, this is the translation. Sit down, don't talk, my love. Your crying will not help. You know, it's not really a happy song for a wedding. Any regret will not help. The horse is already in the cart, and I won't be sitting. And then the bride responds, I won't be sitting with you guys just yet. I did not say goodbye to my mother yet. You raised me, and you won't be doing that anymore. And then I just copied this because this is the lyric that we're going to be doing for the concert. But it goes on to my father, goodbye, my father. Like the bride is saying goodbye, and kind of not happy that she's going from one house, from her family house, from her parents, to the new place. Interesting. Okay, so let's hear it. You're going to see the sentiment of that. It kind of goes along with this lyrics of this first song. Okay, let me play it. Let me know if you can hear it, okay?
Siadaj, nie gadaj, moje kochanie. Nic nie pomoże twoje płakanie. Wszelki żal nic nie pomoże, już koniki stoją w wozie pozaprzęgane, ulejcowane. Jeszcze nie będę z wami siadała, jeszczem się z matką nie pożegnała. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będzie. A jeszcze nie będę z wami siadała, jeszczem się z ojcem nie pożegnała. Oj, żegnaj mi miły ojcze, żeśmy żyli z sobą dobrze, więcej nie będzie. Oj, żegnaj mi miły ojcze, żeśmy żyli z sobą dobrze, więcej nie będzie. A jeszcze nie będę z wami
So it goes
siadała.
on like this. That's the form of the song. Yesterday, I spent a lot of time talking about the form. You see how it's done with the double bass, kind of going, and so we use that for our arrangement. Because we have a double bass and voice. So that was kind of the idea that we're going to recreate it. Okay? And the double bass goes. Okay. But then I was looking for different versions, and let me show you something else that I like, that I found. It's similar. It's just with a choir. Let me just find it. So whenever I learn a new song, whenever I try to learn a new song, let me pause it. I always like to hear as many different versions and see what other people have done, just in order to get, a general sense of what the song is like. That's, how it's done most often, what is in our minds as that song, and to see what, how creative the other people get with rearranging it, and then I draw inspiration from both of these ends. I try to keep it original as much as add something new to it, because if we just do it in the original way, that's also not, then why are we doing it, right? But we have to add something, but maybe not, try to keep it the same energy or the same sentiment. Okay, so I heard a lot of these similar versions. Let me show you one with the choir. So yeah, basically it's very, very similar in the vibe, as you can see. Yeah, so I try to keep it like that. Oh, great. I see that. Hi, Željko. Thanks for the comment. I'm glad that you can hear it. That means everybody can hear it, I guess. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it up. Let's see. Okay, so everything was like. Okay, and then I kept looking for different versions, and I found this. Let me play it. So this is. I'm just gonna play it.
Ci nie nada twoje płakanie, nic nie nada, nie pomoże. Już koniki stoją w wozie, ulejcowane. Jak ze ja bandy na nie siadała, kiedym się z matką nie pożegnała. Żegnam życie, moja matko, biwałoć tu za mnie gładko, teraz nie będzie. Żegnam życie, moja matko, biwałoć tu za mnie gładko, teraz nie będzie. Siadaj, nie gadaj, śliczne kochanie, nic ci nie nada twoje płakanie, nic nie nada, nie pomoże. Już koniki stoją w wozie, ulejcowane, a jak ja bandy na nie siadała.
So you see, it's very, very different. It's in major, first of all, right? It's not in minor. It's kind of sweet, unlike the other one that's harsh and is like. This one is da 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 da, and I loved it. I really, 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 really loved it. So I wanted to get both in the same song, capture both sounds and both energies. So this is what I decided to do. Let me show you. So we start with a bass introduction. which you're gonna hear on the concert that we're promoting on November 18th on Wednesday, 8 p.m. Sign up if you haven't. There is a Zoom link if you want to be the live audience, and you can just watch it here on Facebook. But so it goes. Siadaj, nie gadaj, moje kochanie. Nic nie pomoże twoje płakanie. Wszelki żal nic nie pomoże, już koniki stoją w worze pozaprzęgane. Wszelki żal nic nie pomoże, już koniki stoją w worze pozaprzęgane. Ulejcowanie. And then right away. Jeszcze nie będę z wami siadaja, jeszcze się z matką nie pożegnała. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Solo. A jeszcze nie będę z wami siadała, jeszcze się z matką nie pożegnała. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Siadaj, nie gadaj, siadaj, nie gadaj, siadaj, nie gadaj. So, that's the ending. I have a question for you if you watch this far. So, should we go back to major at the ending as well? Because it kind of speeds up the whole song, right? And then it just stays in the minor for the ending. And slows down. So instead, should we go? Let me do the last verse and then after that, actually, should we do the Siadaj, nie gadaj, moje kochanie? Or is it too cheesy? I don't know. Let me do it once again. Where from? Oj, from the chorus. No, the whole thing. Ma jeszcze nie będę z wami siadała. This is faster. Jeszcze się z matką nie pożegnała. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Oj, żegnaj mi miła matko, żeś mnie wychowała gładko, więcej nie będziesz. Siadaj, nie gadaj, siadaj, nie gadaj, siadaj, nie gadaj. Siadaj, nie gadaj, moje kochanie. And then not say nic nie pomoże twoje płakanie, because then this calls, for something else. But yeah, what do you think? Should we end it on major or minor? I'm not sure yet. We can still change it a little bit. Oh, I want to thank Željko for wonderful comments. Let me put it up. It's in Croatian. It says, I love your singing. And I love my crying. Thank you. We're not going to do plakanje now. I hope so. But so which one? Should we go back? End it like, or just end it. I'm gonna look at this live stream and I'm gonna see what works, and if which one I like better. But I would be curious if you guys see this later. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think. Major or minor? I'm always for major, but sometimes major is too majorish and too cheesy. And sometimes I think I don't have a good sense, a good criteria. I like to go sometimes to the cheesy side. So I don't know. Let me know. Okay, so we're gonna do another live stream on next Monday at 2 p.m. Again, 8 p.m. Croatian time, and it's gonna be a Russian song that most of people from my country will know very well. And I think a lot of Eastern European countries, we're gonna talk about Katyusha. Does it ring the bell? Yeah, it's a Russian song that became very famous during the World War II as a patriotic song. And yeah, we're gonna do a Russian and Croatian translation of it, and you're gonna hear how we kind of figured out the arrangement for that. I'm gonna be using live electronics for that one. And I don't know. I'm curious to hear what you think. But so, yeah, we're done for today. Once again, I want to remind you to sign up if you want to be the live audience on Zoom. You can do that for these live streams as well as for the concert that we're going to do. It's called Why Are You Gone? Что te nema? And it's on November 18th. That's going to be on Wednesday at 8 p.m. New York time. And live streams are every weekday at 2, so we're going to have a whole week of live streams next week, and then Monday and Tuesday, and then the concert and in the evening on Wednesday. These are all free performances, free online performances. You can follow it on Facebook. You can follow it on Twitch. That's a new one for me. You can follow it on YouTube. And you can be a live audience in Zoom. So yeah, just if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any comments, please let me know. If you have an opinion on how we should end this beautiful Polish wedding song, Siadaj, nie gadaj. And have a great weekend, everybody. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.